Hello, I'm Joan Morace. I'm a natural cosmetic formulator and instructor at Joan Morace Cosmetic School. Have you ever used a purple shampoo or a blue shampoo on your hair or formulated these? These shampoo products have been around for many years and they're used on blonde hair, bleached hair, white hair, silver hair, gray hair, and even brunette hair that has had highlights to it. And purple neutralizes yellow, blue neutralizes orange. And so when deposited on the hair, these pigments, they shift the way the light reflects off the hair shaft, and it makes it appear cooler and brighter and less brassy. And it's not a structural change to the hair, it's an optical correction. And when you formulate these, you can control the deposit intensity and adjust the formulas for different hair types. And you can prevent overtoning and uneven results. And you can create light, medium, strong systems to target, beautiful toning that you need for different hair types. And they're just really fun to make, formulate, and to use on the hair. Purple shampoo, blue shampoo, they're an excellent product, an excellent formulation to add to your product line. And they're a specialized toning cleanser. They're designed to neutralize that unwanted brassy tones in hair. And these are used as corrective maintenance, both in professional salons and at home care routines. And they're really simple to formulate. And this one is from the formulation from the Pro Hair course, and it's just adding to one of the shampoo formulations that is in the course. So basically, you take any shampoo formulation, you want it to be balanced, and you get a violet dye. There's specific ones for it, and you don't need very much. You just need a little bit because you're just going to use a small amount. And the amount that you use really depends on the after effect that you want on the hair. You have to be careful for like bleach blonde hair because you don't want to turn the hair purple. You just want to brighten the hair and have the highlights look bright and shiny, and to reduce that brassiness and enhance the cool tones, and to brighten dull or yellowed hair. So there's several things that you want to do is have mild surfactants in them. And then you just, you put your conditioning agents in there, and then your violet pigment. And so this is one of the shampoo formulations from the Pro Hair course. And I'm just going to show you, I'm just slowly add it. But this is on the smaller amount side. So this would be a good one like for bleached hair. And it's important that it's pH balanced. So blue shampoos are technically just even using like this purple dye, and they help with like brunette hair that has highlights in it. So you see, you could even stop at this point, depending again on what hair you're doing it for. But there's a big difference that you'll see on hair. And you can use it for straight to wavy hair, curly to coily hair, any hair types that are gray or silver or chemically treated or bleached or highlighted. And they make a wonderful toning shampoo that can be used like once a week to help to tone the hair, and they really make a difference. You can create blue or purple shampoo from any of the formulations in the Professional Natural Hair Care Formulation course. And you already have several shampoo formulations that are tried and tested. And all you need to do is add the violet dye and you have a great a toning shampoo. And you can easily add this to your product line or just make them for yourself and use them on your own hair.